Before you buy your mom another mug that says "World Best Mom," stop. She deserves better, like blazer and ballet flat better. And the mug screams boring. I'm gonna be sharing 10 gifts that are actually cute, useful, and that won't end up in the junk drawer. So let's go. Number one is cute PJ sets. Comfort Queen Collection. We are starting strong with PJs that scream, I have my life together even if I choose to chase my toddler around in the living room. They are cozy, classy, and the bonus, no one has to know she wore them all day. Number two is everyday jewelry. Get her a neck piece that says, I love you, without yelling it in Comic Sans. Minimalist jewelry equals maximum elegance. She will wear it everywhere, every time she goes out, even with sweatpants. Possibly, especially with sweatpants. Number three is fashionable tote bag. Mommy on the move. Tote bags, because moms carry snacks, receipts, lipsticks, random toy dinosaurs, everyone's problems, and they need the structured tote bags. They are roomy, stylish, and she will say thank you to you for this. Next is the silk scarf. Main character energy. Always, a silk scarf instantly turns mom mode into movie star running errands in Paris mode. She can wear this on her hair, neck, wrist, bag, honestly, even as a mini cape. Versatile queen. Next is statement blazer. Boss babe vibe. The blazer simply says, I am nurturing soul who can also close a deal before daycare pickup. It's the look good, feel powerful gift. And you know she deserves both, right? Don't scroll. Next gift idea might make your mom cry in a good way. Fashion rental subscription. Of course, this is for the fashion curious. Let her dress up again. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so cool. Give her stylish grown-up clothes from Rent the Runway or any local one close to you. She gets new outfits. You get the favorite child badge. It's a win-win. Number 7 is comfy sneakers or flats. Stylish survival gear. Because moms walk a marathon daily, just even around the house. Those shoes are going to say, yes, I am tired, but I'm doing it in style. Number 8 is capsule wardrobe. 3-piece chic. White tee, wide leg pants, and a button up. That is it. She's an icon now, a model. Minimal effort, maximum hot mom energy, period. Number 9 is Luxe activewear. Because she's got the moves. We get her gym clothes that make her want to work out or just walk past a mirror slowly. Classy, sassy, just like her. 10 is her time self-care box. She deserves a break. Moms definitely deserve some me time. Think candles, fluffy robe, sleepers, basically a do not disturb sign in the box. You can't buy her peace and quiet, but this is definitely clothes. So whether your mom is a fashionista, a homebody, or somewhere in between, just remember, skip the mug, give her something that screams you matter. Hit the like if you love your mom, subscribe if you're the favorite child, and don't forget Mother's Day is coming, so don't be the one who forgets about your mom. Thank you for watching and bye.